Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we got a quick look and unboxing of the JBL Boombox. This one is in the camo color, camouflage color. Now the most popular one is the black color, but I wanted to get this colorway just because I like camo so much. I'm not going to do a sound test, but I will do an unboxing. There's plenty of videos showing the sound quality of this boombox. And tech specs on it, has a 20k kilowatt battery. It says it's ready for 24 hours of playtime, but there's some YouTubers who tested it and it runs about maybe 18-20 hours. First thing you notice about this boombox is that it is huge. It's reminiscent of back in the 80s when boomboxes were very popular and they're huge and kids would carry them on their shoulders. Yeah. Flip this around for you guys so you can see the artwork on it. Now this thing is heavier than it looks, okay? It's about 10 pounds. It has one handle. It doesn't take straps, okay? The Extreme 2 and Extreme, they both take straps. This one just has one handle and doesn't take any straps. So this is the boombox itself. I'm gonna set this on the table right now and see what's inside the box. I'm guessing some accessories such as the plug and user manual. I'm going to set this aside right here. Take this guy out. This is the front of it. Nice camouflage colorway. Here's a shot of the accessories that you get. I'm gonna open it up quickly and do a quick 360 of the boombox itself. You get your cable, the manual, and this is the power cord, power brick, I mean. Pretty hefty, chunky, looks like a laptop charger. I guess you need this to charge the huge battery that it has. Quick rundown of it. You got your Bluetooth here, power, the JBL Connect, volume lower, volume up, and play button right here. In the back, you got your ports. Flip that out for you guys. It is waterproof. It has two USB charge ports that you could charge your devices on. Here's where you put your AC plug to power it on, as well as charge it. Now, it does, when you plug it in, it'll give you a bigger boost in the sound. If you leave it unplugged, I think it's around 40 watts, and if you plug it in, it's 60. I'm not sure about those specs, but you can check it out. Again, do a quick 360 and finish up this video. This thing does retail around $360 right now, I think. You get them on sale. I'll leave the links below. Really nice looking speaker. Here's the JBL side speakers. Camel print. And the large handle. This thing is really heavy, guys. Well, if you don't work out, it's heavy. But yeah, that's the quick unboxing of the JBL Boombox. Hope you guys like it. I'm gonna plug it in and listen to how it sounds. But if you like this video and unboxing, please like and subscribe. Thank you.